In the aftermath of 9/11 more than a decade ago, Congress made a lot of fuss over the fact that some military uniforms were not made in the USA. Well, new laws now prevent American soldiers from fighting in Chinese-made uniforms. But a veteran is wondering why he just bought some Army merchandise that was anything but American-made. So John Matarese did a little bit of digging.
Peter Hollister served his country for 30 years since the Vietnam War and is now a retired Army officer. He recently decided he wanted an Army ball cap, so he went to the Army Air Force Exchange's official website.
And I found a section on the website saying retired military gear, and went to that, and sure enough, this cap was in that.
The website photo even says made in the USA. But when he received his cap, he was stunned to find this, a label saying made in China.
And I guess that's really what bothered me the most, was I wasn't buying it at some knockoff, place. I paid $29.95 for it, and it was made in China.
He thought the armed forces had a rule against using clothing made in other countries. So he checked with the Army Air Force Exchange and learned that the military's Buy American law pertains to soldier uniforms, not surplus that's sold. A spokesman told us the exchange supports U.S.-made products. However, in order to maintain our assortments, sometimes we must partner with an overseas vendor. China still enjoys a favored nation status in U.S. trade agreements. Hollister understands, but still thinks it's wrong for clothing representing U.S. soldiers to be made in other countries.
It's like buying an American flag made in China.
Now, there's no law prohibiting military surplus merchandise or items sold to civilians and veterans from being made in China. And this helps keep prices down. But if you don't feel this is right, well, then check the details on the website or on the label in the store before you buy so you don't waste your money. I'm John Matarese.